Aggro.
Hi everyone, we are going to draw Aggro today from Rescue Riders. So we are going to start with the top part of his head.
Her head.
Oh, is it her? Oh, I didn't know that. Her head. And we're going to make one flat curve.
One flat.
Oh yeah, she's a her. I didn't know that. And we're going to make her two big horns. So they curve a bit. And we're going to make her horns. And then one more horn on the other side. We've done her horns and now we're going to make her face. So we're going to go down. We're going to go down from this side. I'm going to go slightly in and then back out. And we are going to curve her face. We're going to go like this, then a curve, and then again a curve. So there are going to be 3 curves to her face. I'm going to make her nostrils. So watch how I make the nostrils. They're 2 slant lines. And we're going to make a curve. And then go along her mouth with a curve. And then go back out all the way to the other side of her mouth. I'm going to make her sharp teeth. So one is pointing out like this. And one more is outside over here. I'm going to make her nice big round eyes. So watch how I make that. Next to her nostril, this one, I'm going to make a curve. I'm going to make another curve and go round all the way and then bring it back in here. That's one eye. And then we're going to make her eyelashes. So we're going to go a little bit outside her face and then bring it back in with a curve. We're going to make a thick line here. I'm going to color that in. Now we finished her eye. We're going to make her eyeballs. So watch how I make that. There's going to be a nice big round circle along her eye. And you're going to make one more eyeball inside. So make a nice big round circle very carefully inside her eye. We finished one eye. Now we're going to make her other eye. So her other eye is going to be a little bit thinner. So we're going to make, it's going to be more oval in shape. So watch how I make this. And you're going to go touching the face on the other side. And you're going to make it like this. And over her eye, we're going to make again. Outside her face, we're going to make a thick eyelash. And same thing, we're going to make an outer circle for her eye. And then we're going to make another inner circle for her eye. And then we're going to make a curve. And then color the oval shape. So we're going to make thin lines, very thin lines coming out and making a nice curve for her body, like a vase shape. And we're going to make her legs. And we're going to make another curve inwards along her belly. And we're going to make her legs.
Claws.
Her claws. So we're going to go one leg up, out, and then her other leg back out. Same thing on the other side. One leg back out and the other leg out, and we're going to make 1, 2, 3 curves. 1, 2, 3 curves. And we're going to make her claws. And then we're going to make her back feet as well, so we can't see the full leg, so make sure you make it at the back like this. And you can show one claw of hers over there, and we leave it as is. The sharp pointy tail, so we're going to make it upwards, going up and then falling back down, and having two claws or fins on there. And then we're going to make her wings. So her wings are going to be nice and long, so we're going to make them go like this. I'm going to make them go like a bit horizontal, so make a curve, then a horizontal line.
Horizontal means straight.
Horizontal, and then we go a bit down, and then we're going to go back up, but we're going to first follow this line. I'm going to follow this line, and now we're going to go back all the way up. So we're going to make nice and flat. And then we're going to join it. So we're going to join it from this end. So we've done Aggro. Now we're going to color. You're going to need red, yellow,
dark red and light red.
yeah, and then we're going to need a little bit of orange as well.
good day, friend. Come for next little draw. See you.